Hi, in this video I will show you how to pass a slipped stitch over. First I will show you the knit version. Slip a stitch knitwise. So insert your needle from left to right as you would if you were planning on knitting the stitch, and slip the stitch from your left needle to your right needle. Knit the next stitch. Pull the previous stitch over the knit stitch. You just decreased one stitch. Again, slip one stitch knitwise. Knit a stitch and pull the slipped stitch over the knit stitch. I will show you a few more stitches. For the purl version, put the working yarn in front of the work. Slip a stitch purlwise. So insert the needle from right to left as if you were planning on purling the stitch, and slip the stitch from your left needle to your right needle. Purl the next stitch. Pull the previous stitch over the purl stitch. We'll do it again. Slip one stitch purlwise. Purl a stitch and pull the slipped stitch over the purl stitch. I will show you a couple more stitches. I hope this video was helpful, and thanks for watching.